Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get stickers in Monopoly Go. So let's get straight into it. So when you tap on the album icon in the bottom right corner, you will notice that completing sticker albums gives you rewards like dice, Monopoly money, new tokens, and shields. For example, completing the ornament album gives you 225 dice and Monopoly money, while completing other albums like this one here give you additional rewards such as 600 dice, Monopoly money, and a Nutcracker shield. So you can also earn stickers through daily wins. And to do that, just go back here and go to the daily wins icon at the bottom left of the screen. So from here, complete tasks such as collecting cash, pass go two times, or rolling doubles. So each task may reward you with sticker packs, so make sure to complete this task. And filling the daily progress bar here at the bottom grants additional rewards, including sticker packs. And at the end of the week, completing all daily wins give you more possibility of getting stickers as a reward, such as purple and blue sticker packs that includes a chance of getting a rare 5-star or 4-star sticker. And another way to earn stickers is to participate in in-game events. So to do that, just tap on the current event at the top here. And as for me, the current one is Chilling Constructions. So here, collect event specific items, like in my case, a frozen wrench, by landing on these tiles right here. You can also roll with a multiplier for bigger rewards, and you can do that by simply tapping on the multiplier at the bottom here. So, reaching milestones in the event rewards you with sticker packs and dice. Completing the entire event could grant you a purple sticker pack with rare stickers and thousands of dice. So, make sure to also participate in this kind of game events. Okay. Next is to compete in daily tournaments. So, to do that, just tap on the daily tournament icon on the right side of your screen here. So as you can see, ranking in the top 10 grants rewards, including sticker packs, dice, and Monopoly money. And as you can see, I'm on top 10, so I have a chance to get stickers here. But remember, higher rankings give better rewards with purple sticker packs for the top positions. So just aim to be on top to get a higher chance of getting stickers, okay? And you can also claim free gifts in the shop. So to do that, visit the shop icon in the top left corner here and look for the free gift available every 8 hours. So just swipe here like so till you see the free gift. And as for my case, I already got mine. But in your case, just tap on this free gift as these gifts often include sticker packs. Additionally, you can try to trade stickers with friends. So just go to the album icon and select the sticker you need, like so. And you can ask for help in the official Facebook group here, or you can just tap on the friends button to request it from up to 4 friends. And in this way, you can earn stickers by trading. And finally, the last way I could recommend is to win sticker packs from the prized wheel. So make sure to upgrade all properties in a color set. For example, if you have three red hotels on the orange spaces, it will trigger a prize wheel spin when you land on the spaces. So the spin gives you a chance to win rewards, including sticker packs. And that's it. That's how to get stickers in Monopoly Go. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.